Yo, what's up, everyone? Yeah, we're back. So I've been making another video from my previous video. The you guys comments on the video. I need to volume down the music, the background music. Yeah, it's actually amazing for me. If you guys don't like the music, just comment down below what music you like. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, hopefully this video is making more clear to hear. The way I fix it, hold the PS button and a 5 seconds and reset the controller by doing this. You can also use your pen, a pen or just a toothpick or just just any kind of stuff that can fits into that hole, and then you're just gonna charge it and it will be working. So in this case, and this controller doesn't work on the setting, I might be need to take a part into it. You have a 4 screw on your controller and you need to unscrew it. The way I take apart it, you're just gonna watch the video because I don't really know how to explain how I did it. Okay, you just make sure to gently open the controller. Okay, once you've done that, you just need to remove this the ribbon wire, and then the next is you need to remove the battery. And you will see the control panel ribbon wire, so we need to remove it. And then once you've done that, and you need to put the battery back into the controller, put it right back. Okay, we're not done yet. You need to put back the ribbon wire. That's how easy it is. So let's try to play a game. Okay. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, I hope I hope this video help you guys, and yeah, peace out and amazing. Bye. I'm signing out. Babush.